Taylor, have you caught a fish yet? Nope, not at all. But this would help right here. This right here is gonna help me catch fish. Just some bait and lures and different stuff. I'm gonna head off fishing in a couple days to finally catch a fish. But today, I'm thinking that we could just hang out, and I have a staff meeting later for work actually. So I gotta go downtown and yeah, let's go. So I might just park my RV here at work, just because my RV is big and parking is hard to find downtown. But here's work, and here are all of our buses right here. They're just patiently awaiting cruise ship season. So right here, this is where all the cruise ships come in. Tourist season starts in May. I think the first cruise ship in is May 4th. But because it's starting to get nice in Victoria, tourists are starting to roll in. So there's going to be some work definitely in the future for me before cruise ship season, which I'm really excited about. I can't wait to get back to work. You know, as much as I'd like to travel, of course I'd like to travel, I do really love my job. So it's nice to get back to work. What I love most about it is just being a part of people's journeys and vacations, because some of the people on the cruise ship, this is the first time they've ever taken a vacation. This is the first time they've ever taken a cruise ship or been on a tour bus. And so to be a part of that and to make sure that people have a good time, I love that about my job. I really do. I want to show you something really cool. You see this bus behind me? This is the first 100% electric double-decker bus in all of North America. This is a prototype. So we got, for the company I work with, we got the first ever 100% electric double-decker bus in all of North America. It is amazing. And I actually have driven this bus, so essentially I'm making history. No big deal, I've been a part of history. So it is 1 o'clock right now. My staff meeting's at 4:30, so I have a couple hours to burn. And I haven't forgot about whale watching. That's a whale watching boat right there. Whale watching will be in a future video. So I've got to tell you this story. Right here, there used to be a bench. And I was walking home to my friend's house at like 2 in the morning after having a couple drinks downtown. And I literally found a full-size birthday cake in a box just sitting on this bench. There was nobody around. It said happy birthday on it. And I just sat down, I ate the entire cake. It was such a random thing. It was just sitting right there. Oh, so random. Hi. Hello there. Hello. How are you? See this stand right here? So this is the company I work for. If you come to Victoria, you've got to check it out. So it's CVS Tours, and it's really easy to find. It's right in front of the Empress Hotel, literally right in the heart of downtown. Come find this company, and maybe, just maybe, I'll be your tour bus driver and I can give you a tour. Okay guys, so I used to actually work here. I didn't work in the pub. There's a nightclub up top. It's called Upstairs Cabaret, and I used to bartend there. So there's the pub. There's a nightclub. It was awesome. And you know, I was walking around Victoria and I thought, you know what? I might as well stop for a beer, right?
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should have told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
Goodness.
So this is white chocolate with jelly beans.
Done deal. You gotta love the samples. It's good. It's good. This street that I'm on right here, it's called Government Street, and that's where you're gonna find all of the shops. It's literally right downtown. So right over there is the Empress Hotel. If you ever come to Victoria, make sure you check out Government Street. I snuck a ride. Oh, there's nobody up here. There's nobody up here, look at this. So it looks like I'm gonna get a ride to the staff meeting. This is one of our double-decker buses.
They put a brew pub in the Canadian Pacific steamship building.
So this is one, he's just giving a tour right now. So this is one of our buses, double-decker buses.
His art gallery in there. One of Canada's
Beautiful, beautiful downtown. So guys, this is firsthand what I do. So in the best part of the vlog, my camera battery died. I was so disappointed. So what I'm doing right now, I am headed to the staff meeting. All right guys, I'm sorry, it's a private meeting. I'll be right back. Meeting's over, great meeting. I'm excited to get back to work. It was really nice to see all those guys again. I haven't seen them for a while and I just love the people I work with. So I'm really excited for the next season. I should start working soon, which is lots of fun. And now I am off to a friend's house.
You to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. And I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
I got you, Super Corona. Hey guys, good morning. I wanted to give a proper ending to this vlog. I just had some drinks with my buddy. I'll show you right now, but I just kind of slept in front of his house on the street, which is really nice. One thing with living in an RV is you never have to drink and drive. I just stayed here. It's on a bit of an incline, so I blocked my my tires up on the back, but this is where I slept last night. So keep living that dream. Until next time, take care of yourselves and bye-bye.